Introduction. Welcome to our case study tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll be discussing the process of conducting a case study, from start to finish. A case study is a research method that involves a detailed examination of a specific subject, such as a person, group, or organization. It is often used in the social sciences, but can also be applied in other fields, such as business or education. Step 1. Define your research question. The first step in conducting a case study is to define your research question. This question should be specific and focused, and should guide the rest of your research. For example, if you're studying a business, your research question might be, what factors have contributed to the success of XYZ company? Step 2. Gather data. The next step is to gather data on your subject. This can include both primary and secondary sources. Primary sources include information gathered directly from the subject, such as interviews or surveys. Secondary sources include information found in books, articles, or other research. Be sure to gather a variety of sources to provide a well-rounded perspective. Step 3. Analyze data. Once you have your data, the next step is to analyze it. This may involve coding and categorizing the data, identifying patterns and themes, and comparing and contrasting different findings. Be sure to take detailed notes on your analysis so that you can refer back to it later. Step 4. Write up your findings. After analyzing your data, the next step is to write up your findings. This should include a detailed description of your research question, your methods, your findings, and your conclusions. Be sure to include any relevant tables, figures, or images to support your findings. Step 5. Draw conclusion. Lastly, draw your conclusion based on the research question and the findings. This should include a discussion of the implications of your findings and any recommendations for future research. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Conclusion. That's it for our case study tutorial. Remember, conducting a case study is a process that requires careful planning, data collection, and analysis. By following these steps, you'll be able to conduct a thorough and effective case study. Good luck with your research.